Good day, everybody. Today we're going to do lesson plan number 20, grade 1, term 1, and the topic is collecting and organizing. We focus on data handling, and we're going to look at worksheet 44 in the DBE book. Then you can pause here and you can have a look at the CAPS link. Just go down here. Then we're going to look at the resources and the dictionary. So the resources you need to plan and prepare for, and the dictionary is the new word of today. Okay, let's then start with the daily routine. So the daily routine, you're going to ask the learners these questions. So it's time to pause. Now we're going to look at counting. So the counting, the number range is 0 to 20 in ones. So what we're going to do is you again going to count your concrete resources, your physical resources. You're going to make use of the SA Teacher library, counting library that's available on our SA Teacher e-store, or you can make drawings of it. And what we're also going to do is we're going to make use of a number line. So as we count, we're first going to do our practical counting, and then what we're going to do is we're going to count forwards and backwards using a number line. The next activity then we're going to do is mental mathematics. I want you to do this orally again. So the reason why I left the answers here is you're going to give the learners the numbers 1, 3, 2. They need to listen carefully, and then they need to arrange it for you from the smallest to the biggest. You're going to do then all 10 questions. So it's time to pause. Okay, welcome back. So what we're going to do today is we're going to focus on collecting and organizing, and then this will later link to data handling when we go to do picture graphs. We're going to do bar graphs and so on. But this is one of the most important steps. It also develops some algebraic thinking later on if we help the children to collect, organize, and especially to sort. So what you can give them, I just gave you some examples here, unifix blocks, counters, and shapes. Please try to keep each color or each type less than 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to ask them to sort it. And then what they need to do is they need to make a drawing of their sorting. So again, you can see this is level 1 on our concrete level. This is then on our representative level where they then make a drawing. It doesn't have to be perfect. But what they need to do is, and then after you've done that, you're going to ask them questions. How many pink unifix blocks are there? How many red counters? How many triangles? So you need to ask questions around these sortings, and they then need to answer it. So I want you to pause here and then do this activity. Okay, let's then go to look at the different levels. So we're going to integrate the different levels a bit with a fun art activity. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up leaves now. The season is changing, so we might get different colors of leaves. If you don't get different colors, you can use different types, or you can use things from the environment. Please, when you use leaves, please tell the learners that we need to look after our trees, our plants, and so on. So don't let them go and destroy a tree or a plant. We encourage them rather to pick up these leaves. Then what they can do is they can make painted leaves, cut them and sort them. This is then on the representative level. So this time what they do is they make a drawing. A very fun activity that you can also do in one of your creative lessons. Then we're going to go to the worksheet. So the worksheet is based then on what we've done during the lesson, the practical activities. Here again, when they're going to sort the leaves, very basic drawings. They don't have to be perfect, but it's just to get the idea. And then what they need to do is they need to answer the questions. Helping them to make drawings, also helping them later on to make mathematics models. That's also diagrams, drawings to understand mathematics better. We should encourage learners to do that. Maths is not only numbers and symbols. Mathematics is also models and drawings to help us to understand concepts and especially mathematics. Then the problem solving, we're just going to focus on the data handling cycle. So this is just an extra activity. So if you want to go from here and you want them to make a graph, it's fine. Otherwise, you just keep to the sorting, collecting, sorting, and answering questions. Then consolidation. If it's all yeses, you carry on with the next lesson. If you have some no's, you need to revisit, revise, or you need to contact us at SA Teacher.